Good morning, YouTube friends, and this video today is a little bit different. I'm just back working as a teacher, and right now it's like around 20 kilometers away from here, our rented residence. And time check, this morning is 6:10 in the morning. As you can see outside, it's still dark, and we're, we're ready to go because I'll have to do some final briefing of my two students who will fight for the national competition for impromptu speech competition tomorrow. So they will be leaving from school this morning around 9 o'clock in the morning. So I have to talk to them for the final briefing and final rehearsal before they have to leave from school, and will be traveling to the designated destination where the competition will be held tomorrow. So um, this is an information ahead of time to all of our subscribers that I'll be doing live streaming through this YouTube channel because I haven't able to make some realization yet about what channel that I have to make for probably related to my teaching work. So I'll just have to put the live streaming right into this channel because later on maybe I'll just re-upload that one if I can make a YouTube channel which is a separate one. And if I'll do filming, like natural filming, I think it costs a lot of memory. So I have decided that I have to do live streaming. So stay tuned, and like in an hour time or before 7 o'clock, I'll do the live streaming like for about our final rehearsal and practice for the two students. So see you later. I'll be back, and live streaming is on like in an hour time. See ya. Bye.